Hello friends, this is Michael again. Today is December 4th, 2014. So today I have another toy ordered directly from B&H in New York, and that means no sales tax. Shipping was free too. Well, let's see what I got to that. All right, looks good. Yep. Lots of stuff. All right, first things first, some little tools to get off a filter of a lens, always very useful. And here I have a filter, 58mm. It's a UV filter, what you put on lenses. And now, here we have it. It's the Canon VIXIA HF G30. It's a top-notch consumer or prosumer camera. So, looks wonderful. Yeah, here you see the picture of the Canon G30. Right now the top-notch consumer prosumer model of Canon. And here is the back of the package. Yeah, the camera from a different angle. Alright, let's unpack this baby here. Alright, first things first, dealer record of Canon purchase. Alright. Here the usual, some CDs, DVDs, with, I believe, photo editing software and a short manual how to use this little camera. Ah, there it is. Lots of stuff. Very, very well packed. Looks wonderful. Got it. And here it is. Nah, isn't that a beauty? Cut. Here it is, in a close-up. Beautiful. Here you see the wonderful screen. It's an OLED screen. And of course, a real viewfinder. Wonderful. And here you see the viewfinder extended and angled upwards. Yep, it's a beautiful camera. Alright, and what else is in the package? You see it's very nicely packed, very sturdy. And here, up the battery. Yeah, it's just a standard battery. Yeah, it's about 2-hour recording time with a full battery. You can buy at B&H a high capacity battery, which should last about 4 hours. Yep, that's a big block. And we have here HDMI cable. And this here is the power cord for the charger. And a remote control. Oh, look at that. Little remote control. Yep, this protects the lens. You put it right in front of the camera. Well, you have to figure exactly out how to put it there. It has also this protective door. Alright, the button cell. And here's the ferrite core for the charger, I believe. And here's the charger itself. It's just a charger in order to connect it to the camera directly. Yeah, sadly, This camera is a $1,299 camera at B&H, no sales tax. Should really come with a charger that you can charge the battery externally and not inside the camera. Yeah, so at a later date I will also get the external charger, which is another $50. So, and here are more cables. Some kind of, this is, I believe, video and audio to connect it to a VCR maybe, or to a TV. And here is another USB cable. Yep, that's it. All empty. Yeah, it's a beautiful camera. Alright guys, here you see the lens, it's wonderful. Here on the outside you see the focus ring, or you can program it to use it as a zoom. But I think I will just use it as a focus ring. Of course, this is a lens never exposed to the elements, and you always should put immediately when you get a new camera or a new lens, you should put always a protective filter on top of it, yeah, to prevent dirt coming in, and even more important, mechanical destructions. Yeah, so this here is a B&W filter, UV haze, made in Germany, and it is in silver. I think it would look very neat on this black body. So you just screw it in and you leave it on. Yep, that's it. Alright, and now as you see the filter is on, and now despite having the filter on here you can still attach the lens hood, yeah, which gives you a better, clearer picture. Just sideways, click, there it is, and now it's protected. Whoop, there it is. Wonderful technology. Alright, this was the unboxing of this wonderful camera, yeah, the Canon VIXIA HF G30. Of course, this is just an unboxing video, so in regards to the technical details, later I will make another video, and I will tell you everything about the technical specifications, about how it works, and of course about the quality of this great camera. Yeah. This camera has so many elements of a professional camera built in, so it is really a consumer camera which borders very close to a professional camera. Yeah, and for example, the Canon X820 or X825 is using the same lens system, the same video chip. Yeah, they just have more interfaces for the professional. So, well, I hope you enjoyed my little video here, and I will give you more news about this beautiful camera, and I hope you enjoyed it. This is Michael. Please look out for my next video. Have a good evening. Bye bye.